Hey, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. We're looking to capture four technical analysis basics. Yeah, what is a long position? What is a short position? What is a order book? What is a order book diff? What is a market order? What is a limit order? Stop loss order? Candlestick chart? Candlestick chart pattern? What is the trend line? What is support and resistance? So, look, what is the long position? That means you speculate that Bitcoin price goes from 40,000 to 60,000. Yeah, then you may open a long position. It means to buying asset with an expectation that its value will rise. Yeah, long positions are often used in context of derivatives, product or forex. Yeah, if you want short or going long. Yeah, it's very important. You can read this. It's very interesting. The opposite of long is short. This is the next. What is short? The short position of short means selling an asset with the intention to rebuy it later at lower prices. Yeah, shorting is closely related to margin trading. Very important. You use shorting in the margin trading. I give you here example. Yeah, as it may happen with borrowed assets. You borrow money. Yeah, from a bank, from a bank or exchange. Yeah, and make with the borrow money profits. Yeah. So, example for you. So what does shorting Bitcoin look like with borrow funds? Yeah, you borrow money from exchange, yeah, from Binance or something like that. Let's look at an example. We put up the required collateral to borrow one BTC. That immediately sell it for $1,000, say $10,000. That means you borrow uh, one we put up the required collateral to borrow one BTC. Yeah, you sell this borrow BTC for $10,000. So now we have got $10,000. Yeah, let's say the price goes down to $8,000. Yeah, you understand? You have one BTC, sell it for $10,000, and you have $10,000 in your portfolio. So let's say the price goes down, then the price is going to $8,000. Yeah, that means we buy one BTC and repay our debt of one BTC along with interest. That means since we initially sold Bitcoin for $10,000, now we and now rebought at $8,000. That means very easy. You have one BTC, you sell this for $10,000, keep the money and buy it back at $8,000 back. Then your profit is $2,000. I hope you understand this. Yeah, you have 10,000 to borrow, or yeah, you, I think you borrow here $10,000 is important because you have not the money, so you borrow. Uh, Sell it to $10,000, and if Bitcoin price goes down to $8,000, your profit is $2,000 because you rebuy this at $8,000. Very important to make money. So, what is the order book? In the order book is a collection of currently open orders for an asset. That means if you buy other XRP or something like that, you have an order book, and all these assets uh, will shown in this portfolio. So we go to the next. We have here what is a order book diff? Yeah, the order book diff, a market diff, refers a visualization of current open orders in the order book. It usually puts buy orders on one side and sell orders on the other side. Yeah, and display them cumulative on a chart. That means you have here selling orders and buy orders. Then you can see what's the difference is. Yeah, if the market's going to sell or to buying area. So then the next is what is the market order? Very important. If you make an order at Binance or something like that, then I would prefer you or prefer a market order because this is faster for you. A market order is an order to buy or sell at the best current available market price. If you not do that, if you make no market order, then you buy and you wait. That is not good. You want sell directly, yeah. So please, if you want direct trade, yeah. Um, However, which price is, yeah, low price, high price, yeah. Here you can see also it's basically the fastest way to get in or out of the market. It's very important. Um, if you not do this, then you make your order, then you wait, and this you can lose a lot of money. So, what is a limit order? I never trade limit order because it's good if you make risky or risk trades, but mm, if you have experience, then I would not make this. Yeah. I not never make limit orders, but for beginners, I would say, okay, make limit orders that you not lose your money. Yeah, a limit order is an order to buy or sell an asset at a specific price or better price. Yeah, for example, Bitcoin is at 60,000. You say, okay, I want buy back Bitcoin at 50,000. Then you make a limit. Yeah, and say, okay, if the price is going down, then buy. Yeah, you can read this for you. So going to stop loss, um, similar like a limit. Yeah, you can say, okay, you buy uh, asset at 60,000 Bitcoin, and you say, I wanna, I want to make this safe. Yeah, if Bitcoin goes to 50,000, then automatic will sell should done. Yeah, because if Bitcoin goes to 40,000, okay, I'm no, a little bit shocked. So we make so um, if the price of Bitcoin goes to 60,000, if the price of Bitcoin are 60,000 and fall to 40,000, then you have lose money. Yeah, but stop loss helps you to reduce your lose. That means from 60,000 is falling to 50,000, then you are safe. But if the price going to 48,000, then an automatical sell will make here. Yeah. So you can reduce your losses if you use stop losses. So important. What is a candlestick chart? A candlestick chart is a graphical representation of the price of an asset for a given time frame. It's made up the candlesticks, each representing the same amount of time. For example, a 1 hour chart shows candlesticks that each represent a period of 1 hour. Yeah, very important for us to analyze this. Um, it helps me here to write or to analyze something very important things here. Yeah, I know, okay, the price is going higher, higher lows and so on. It's very, I work with them and it's very important to analyze this, the price. So what is a candlestick pattern? We can look here back. This is a candlestick pattern. Yeah, if you see here, we have here higher lows, lower highs, and that show us that we have here patterns. Yeah, for example, if you see here this here touching one time, two time, three time, and if this fulfilled, then the price will go to the top side. Yeah, it's one pattern here. So we have here yes, candlestick patterns, and let's look what I explained you before. So we go to the next. Next is a trend line, very important. Um, what is a trend line? Trend lines are a widely used tool by both traders and technical analysts. They are lines that connect certain data points on a chart. Certain, yeah. That means, look here, one time, two time, three time, four time. You see, this is our tested levels, yeah. And then we can see, okay, Price is not going down, super. Price is not going down, super. Then we have a trend. Price is not going to the down, super. Price is going not to the down, super. Then we can say, okay, we have a trend. And the next time the price is not going to the downside because we test this one time, two time, three time, four time, and the next step is to go to the top side. So this is a trend line. It's very important. Yeah. So last year, what are support and resistance level? Very, very important. Support and resistance are some of the most basic concepts related to trading and technical analysis. Support means a level where the price finds a floor. In other words, our support level is an area to significant demand where the buyers step in and push the price up. That means here support. Um, you can see here the resistance. We can say here the support is this here. Yeah, you can see every time if this area is coming here one time, two time, three time, the price is pushing to the top side. Yeah, resistance means a level where the price finds a ceiling. A resistance levels is an area of significant supply where the sellers step and push in the price down. This is the resistance. Yeah, you see we have here resistance, resistance. The price is not falling, but after testing here one time, two time, three time, four time, five time, the price is breaking down. Yeah, and this support level is next time the resistance level. Yeah, support level. But if it is falling to the downside, then this time here from coming from this to this is resistance level. So we finish, we go to the next capture. Have a nice day.